Apple iPhone 13 review. The iPhone 13 is finally here. And we have all the details on the new iPhones, including a smaller notch, brighter displays, faster A15 Bionic chip and serious camera upgrades. The battery life is getting better, too. iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Top new features. iPhone 13 mini starts at $799 and iPhone 13 at $899 with 128 GB of storage. The new iPhone 13 features a smaller notch that's 20% smaller than iPhone 12. The design features a new diagonal camera layout, and the cameras capture 40% more light. The ultra-wide camera lets in more light, too. The iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini will come in 5 new colors: pink, blue, midnight, starlight and product red. The displays on the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro are 28% brighter, with 800 nits of brightness. The iPhone 13 offers cinematic video, portrait mode, which delivers movie-like video recording that changes the focus on the fly to various subjects. 5G connectivity should get better with support for more bands. The iPhone 13 mini promises 1.5 hours of more battery life, and that goes up to 2.5 hours for the iPhone 13. The cinematic video mode is the coolest upgrade so far, which holds focus on the subject as it moves. It can blur out the background and automatically change the focus as you shoot. You can also tap to shift focus at any time.